Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to enable split view screen option in Arc browser. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, open Arc browser on desktop, select the tab that you want to split screen with. For example, I'm going to select Reddit, head over to the top upper right corner. You'll find the split view option as you click on it, and add Reddit split. For example, you want to add Reddit split with the List Ready tab. So this is how to split Reddit. So the Reddit tab will take the half space on the left, and your other tab will be, for example, Gmail will take the other right. So if you want to do the split on left, this will make Reddit become on the right half space and your other tab on the left. You can also add the split on bottom, on top. So this is pretty much it, guys. This is how to do the split view option in your Arc browser. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.